This is the Snap Circuits Junior 100 project kit. They make a couple of different kits with different sizes. This one is the SC100, and it's a very easy to use, easy to understand, and reusable electronics hobby kit and learning kit. So essentially you have this plastic grid that's kind of a hexagon base, and then you have all these different electronic components, from your batteries to your switches to your LEDs and capacitors and stuff, and everything sets down onto these grid shapes, and then things can snap together and give connectivity through the pieces. So it's a nice kit that again can be used over and over. They say it's from all ages, from 8 to 108, because anybody trying to learn basic circuits or logic can use this like a breadboard and can learn to assemble a circuit that they're having trouble with, use it to explore new circuits. You can see it's very visual based. It's in projects, so it's 1 through 100 in levels of increased difficulty as well. A great kit, comes with everything you need, including the batteries. 100 science kits, or 100 electronics kits from Snap Circuits Junior. Great gift idea.